How to get Terabox Premium. In order to get a Terabox Premium, first thing you do is open up your web browser. And then from here, you're just going to have to go ahead and simply search for Terabox. Hit enter and click on the first link that you see. Now, once that is done, you'll be directed to the official website for Terabox. If you have the app, you could continue with the app, but now, if you want to purchase a premium or the cloud storage, here are different plans. As you can see, monthly it's $349, yearly is $35.99. So it's a pretty reasonable price. So all you have to do is simply select a plan, click on purchase, and once you've done that, here you'll be asked to log into your account. So I'm just going to continue with my account right here. Now, once you are logged in, you are just going to have to scroll down and do the same thing. Here, enter your plan that you want to purchase. And then from here, you just need to enter your email address and then your bank details. So enter your email address, your card number, then your expiration date, security CVC code, and then select your country. After you've done that, you can just continue on with the purchase and you should be able to get the Terabox Premium. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.